In VirtualBox version 6.1, certain virtual machines by default are limited to 128 megabytes of video memory. You can increase this to a maximum of 256 megabytes. To do that, you open the command prompt as administrator. Using the cd command, change the current directory to where the VirtualBox is installed. Then enter VBoxManage, modify VM, then the full virtual machine name, --VRAM 256 for 256 megabytes of video memory. Go back in VirtualBox and check the settings. Now the virtual machine is set to use 256 megabytes of video memory. Now, if you try to add more than 256, let's say 512, VirtualBox will return an error as the numbers must be between 0 and 256.